Uh, so Atifa is going to speak on Amazon.
Yeah, Atifa will speak on Amazon and Muskan will speak on competitive programming. Actually, she is the highest girl run getter in CPL. So that's why I would like to speak on that. Yeah. Atifa, you can
Should I
share
start?
your, yeah.
Okay, so first of all, I'm not placed in Amazon. I've had the first round, so I will tell about the first round only. So am I audible?
Yes,
Hello?
yes,
Yeah.
go ahead.
Okay. So should I tell about the competition, what it was? Hello?
Yes,
Whatever you
yes,
feel like. Yeah.
Hello?
yes. According to you, means you can start.
Okay. So it's a competition which is held by Amazon known as Amaze Wow. It's they basically try to find out women's in tech. So and you get hired according to in which year you are. So they offer internship as well as it is hiring. So I qualified in the first round. It is basically again I would say it is completely on CP. So there were two coding questions and 28 MCQs. If you are not able to solve either of the coding question, you are not shortlisted. So coding questions were must, and MCQs basically give you an edge over others. So the coding questions were very standard. I would not say they were easy. They were standard questions, so you should be knowing them. And MCQs were mostly on CPP, basic data structures. Like you should be thorough in data structures. As Naman Bhaiya said, questions related to, he was asked question related to stack and queue, how to implement stack via queue and queue via stack. So it was there also. So there were literally 3 questions based on this and tree related questions. CPP tricks, I would say. And yeah, that's all it was. So I got shortlisted
Uh,
and interviews would start from 11.
so if there are girls in this means
Yeah,
session.
and it is very, if you are a girl, you have an edge over boys, definitely. Because cutoffs are really less for you. Plus, you have so many extra competitions as compared to boys where you can excel. Like Amaze Wow, just for girls. Again, boys don't get this opportunity.
Yes.
And you are
BNY का
competing among
recently
girls.
hackathon भी. Yeah.
Yeah.
काफी
So
मतलब
you
काफी
really have an edge
opportunities है.
over others. If you try a little bit also, you have a great chance. Great chance. Thank you.
Exactly.
So there are means girl specific hiring. So we recently had Adobe, PNY, and Amazon. Those were only girl specific hiring. So the girls in this session, if you know a bit of competitive programming, there is a great chance that you will get hired in this very good companies. Um, so try means in a college we severely face a lack of competitive coding, means girls who practice competitive coding, so we would like to see a change in that. uh, is Saurabh here?
Muskan, you can share your experience of competitive coding for the girls over here. Can you unmute yourself? Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, so I started competitive coding in third year when they started the OF1 coding club.
Yeah.
It was only during CPL that I actually learned so much. I practiced. Before that, I wasn't even practicing much actually. Basically, sort करो questions अपने difficulty level के हिसाब से and try करते हो. नहीं हुआ तो किसी से भी doubt पूछो.
Okay, we should tell them about CPL. Muskan, can you tell them what was CPL? And
So CPL made they made teams. They divide. I think there were 4 third years in one team, 2 second years, 2 first years. We made there were teams, and every team hosted a competition. We were supposed to on code courses. So what we did was we divided the questions according to the difficulty level among our teams, and everyone was supposed to solve their questions. If they were not able to, we discussed the questions. Everyone tried the questions, and our team was really good.
Hello.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. So can
actually
you share
pretty much
like
it from.
can you share like how should they start? How did you start competitive coding?
I actually started it on HackerRank. I just though the 1 day challenges, they were easy, and using that I learned. They were specific topics, and because of that, step by step, I could solve questions of different types, and then code chess and code forces.
yes, to summarize, CPL was a contest. We means the Owen Coding Club started. We made teams like we have teams in IPL or some other competitions, and they used to compete within themselves. One of the teams out of all the teams would create a contest, and that contest is given to all the other teams, and they compete on that according to the number of questions solved. They individually get runs, and the winner is decided according to that. So, uh, like Muskan said, was she got a lot of benefit out of it. There were others who also got a lot of benefit out of it. So that's why culture is very important, because it lifts everyone. And if Saurabh is here, then we can talk about Amazon. Saurabh, can you share your experience for Amazon interviews, etc.? Saurabh?
Yeah.
Saurabh, unmute. Huh?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Yes. Saurabh, OP in the chat, please. Yeah.
क्या बताना है, मतलब इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस बताना है ना बस.
हाँ.
सो वो तो पहले एप्टी होता है, जो कुछ भी होता है, फिर 2 इंटरव्यूज हुए थे अपने कॉलेज में आई थी. तो अभी तो मेरे को नहीं लगता ऑन कैंपस होगा बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कोविड. सो ऑफ कैंपस के चांसेस है. तो जो इंटरव्यूज है वो कैसे होते हैं, वो सबसे पहला राउंड होता है, उसमें बेसिक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स, एल्गोरिदम, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग और बेसिक मतलब डीबीएमएस का पूछ लेंगे, टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पूछ लेंगे, ऐसे ही थोड़ा बहुत, जैसे ओवरव्यू, क्या आता है कि नहीं, पता है कि नहीं इसको कुछ, तो उतना ही पूछते हैं. और डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स में वगैरह, जैसे डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स और एल्गोरिदम्स मेनली, उसमें जितने मतलब हम साथ में थे, बहुत से लोगों को स्टैक, लिंक लिस्ट, ट्रीज के पूछे थे. मेरे को
मतलब पूरा कवर हो गया अमेज़न. और कुछ टिप्स देना है कि पहले से प्रिपेयर अगर करना है अमेज़न के लिए,
पहले
तो
से
कैसे
प्रिपेयर
कर
करना है
सकते
तो
हैं?
वही गिग्स और गिग्स करो, मतलब वही कंपनी के क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, मतलब वही कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग करोगे तो मतलब निकल जाएगा राउंड. नॉट.
और आईसीपीसी के लिए कुछ बताना.
आईसीपीसी के लिए क्या बताना है, ये लोगों ने तो कर ली बहुत प्रैक्टिस, जितना मुझे पता है.
नहीं, काफी फर्स्ट ईयर सेकंड ईयर है.
अच्छा.
चैट में. हाँ.
तो वही जो अभी ग्रुप में करा बाकी लोगों ने, वो तुम करो. आईसीपीसी का क्या, आईसीपीसी कंपटीशन है, तुमको मेनली प्रिपेयर करना है इंटरव्यूज के लिए. कॉम्पिटिटिव प्रोग्रामिंग करोगे तो हो जाएगा. वो तो आईसीपीसी बस नाम आ जाता है एक तुम्हारे रेज्यूमे में. इन द एंड तुम्हारा रेज्यूमे उतना मतलब देखेगा भी नहीं कोई, तुम्हारी स्किल्स ही देखेगा. रेज्यूमे बस एक इम्प्रेशन, मतलब एक बस दिखाने के लिए कि तुमको ये चीजें आती है, बाकी तो तुमको सच में आती कि नहीं. हाँ.